Alright. That's probably where it's going to sit. Got the wires coming in. They go up here. Go up, up, up. Come up here. Come across. Into the Mega Squirt. Here's all the internal wires. You got your grounds from both harnesses. MS3 inside wires, data logging wires. Adam, I got this other shielded wire run to the engine bay because I know we'll have to splice this in for the quote-unquote cam sensor. Here's all the excess wire right now. I just ran that into the extra harness. Now, we're still going to have to wrap that in tape and some kind of conduit to keep it protected. But that all runs out here. Nice little rubber grommet. And everything, aside from this stupid long wire, runs to here. So wires are more or less run. We'll have to run it to all the sensors and the coils and boost tester. Oh yeah, boost leak. Got your wideband run and the tube for your boost gauge. And those come out in here. And there's the excess. I don't know, they expect you to mount the wideband in the back of the car, apparently. I mean, this could go all the way out to the hatch. But yeah, your dash was a pain to get in and out. Let's see. This dandy little insert. Should be able to plug this in, and this will go, and just slides up in like that. Then, with that there, you'll have your HVAC below it. Oh, I don't have enough hands for this. Let's see, what are we aiming at? Oh, that's going to be a pain. Apologize in advance. Or now, as it's happening now. Yeah. That's not going to work. But, yeah. You get the picture. So, yeah, that'll be nice. Thing handy nifty. A bit of play, but it's in that stupid bushing that eBay gave me. It's kind of... That's what you get for buying eBay, but tons better. The forward backwards, not too bad. But yeah, it'll go into gear nice and easy now.